Hey there, today I want to show you how to use Arpeggiator and Ableton Live. We go to Sound, select some sound that you prefer. For this case of example, we use the guitar acoustic. We go to MIDI effects, Arpeggiator. There you can see the different styles that you can choose. Loop this track. Make sure your instrument is set well. Here you can select the steps. We want a whole octave and not 12 steps or 12 semitones of the octave. We want in single steps of the octave. If we select now chromatic, you see steps. But we select now, for example, a scale. There you tell, in the whole octave, please make just one single step of the octave. First tone, second tone of the key, and so on. If you do it in quarter notes, then this is the way to go. The rate 1/4. This is whole note, half, quarter, eighth, 16th, and you can go up to 128th. We start with a single tone. You see, right now you don't have anything. Why? We didn't create a bar yet. Therefore, we select the bar. Take an example tone, for example D sharp. Make it as long as necessary. One tone logic. Get back to the MIDI by pressing on it. There's the arpeggiator. And now we have to, let's say so, it should be in D sharp because we already selected D sharp. Single tone. Dum, dum. If we select now the rate of a half note, dum, 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 quarter, da, 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 re, mi, fa, re, mi, you know? If we go to the eighth, and now, if you want to have up and down arpeggio, you go to up and down and select 16ths. Or 32th. This is the possibility that you can do right now. And you can also select different scales from chromatic over to mixolydian, major scale, minor, blues, pentatonic, harmonic, major, Dorian, Phrygian, dominant, Superlocranian, Hungarian, Hirajoshi, Iwato, Komoi. For example, the Hirajoshi would be like this. We select now 1/8 again. We can add some reverb here. Filter a bit, add additional tremolo. You can also select the repeat amount here, if it should be re-triggered, velocity, decay, target. In the instrument here for this example, you can choose the filter cutoff, tremolo amount. You can adjust the reverb, reduce the chorus, for example. Now something bluesy. And now double this fast. It was an honor to show you this MIDI effect in Ableton intro. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to join the whole channel. I have several niches which run in the one channel. I want to show you as much of it is possible for me of my own context, and it will be an honor if you interact with these content, join the community, join the squad, for example, hit the follow, comment my videos, share them, interact with them. You know, the algorithm still doesn't have personalized promotion, even if we have a lot of people who are interested in Ableton Live, so it will be an honor if you join and share my content. Thank you for watching. Yours sincerely, Lado. Peace out.